Hello and welcome back to this course. We are discussing about the layouts in JavaFX, and in our previous video we have discussed about the tile pane layout, and in this video we will discuss about the anchor pane layout. So first of all, what is anchor pane layout? Basically you can say that anchor pane layouts enable the developers to anchor the nodes or the elements to the top, bottom, left, right or center pane. Now, as we resize the window, the nodes maintain their position relative to their anchor pane. So this is what we call the anchor pane. In anchor pane, we basically add the nodes at the top, left, bottom, right, and center. And whenever we resize the window, basically, which is the stage, then their position is maintained relative to the anchor point. Okay. So now let's create our code in our NetBeans so that we have a better understanding of how anchor pane layout works. So I will write a little program here that will show you the anchor pane layout. So what I do, I just move the buttons from here. I just take the 3 buttons right now and change the text. Button 1, button 2. Okay, 2 buttons are enough. Okay, and after that also remove this line, all these lines right now. Okay, and now I have created the 2 buttons in my program, and now I am going to use the anchor pane layout here. So I type here anchor pane equals to layout equals to new anchor pane. Okay, and I simply import the anchor pane from the layouts. Okay, and after that we can set the top anchor, left anchor, right anchor, and the bottom anchor. So we are going to anchor the button 1. So what I do, I just type here anchor pane, and the methods are the static methods. So I type here anchor pane dot set bottom anchor, left anchor, right anchor, and top anchor. First of all, I set the top anchor. I type here button B1, and I pass the value which is the 15. Okay. After that, so it is a double value. I type here 15.0. Okay. And now I type here anchor pane dot set bottom anchor, and B1 again I type here 15.0. Okay. After that, anchor pane dot set left anchor, which is the B1, and again 15.0. And at last we have the anchor pane dot set right anchor, and in here I again type B1 and 15.0, like this. Okay, so in this way we have set the top anchor, bottom anchor, left anchor, and the right anchor. Okay, so now I think everything is ready. So if I run my program, you will see nothing on the screen. I just close this application, and I basically I add the B1 here in the constructor. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see button 1 is placed here. This is complete button on the screen. So this is what we call the anchor pane layout. I change here. Okay. Okay, so now if I change the dimensions from here like 5, and I change here 5, 5, and 5. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see the button is increased also. Now I pass a bigger value here like 150, 155 is enough. 155, 155. Okay. So now if I run my program, you will see a little button on the screen, because this time we have passed the top, bottom, left and right anchor of 155 points. So this is what we call the anchor pane layout. Basically, in anchor pane layouts, we add the anchor nodes to the top, bottom, left, right and center, and it also maintain its position relative to its anchor point. I hope you understand. You can see here, if I increase the size, the button size is also increasing here. You can see here, I small the size of the window like this. Now you can see this size of button is decreased. If I increase the size of button is also increasing, and it is maintaining its position relative to the anchor point. So this is what we call the anchor pane layout. This is the main point of the anchor pane layout, that it maintain its position relative to the anchor pane. So I hope that you understand. So this is what we call the anchor pane layout in Java. This is the last layout in JavaFX. So I hope that you understand all the layouts in JavaFX that we have discussed in our previous videos. So you have to keep all these layouts in your mind, because we have to use these layouts in our next videos. You must have a concept that how this layout order the elements in it. If you don't understand any video, you can watch that video again and again. And if you feel any problem while understanding the layouts, you can definitely ask me a question or message me. I am always here to help you guys. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.